How to get soft, plump, and pink lips. Welcome back to my channel. I will tell you why lip care is important. You are in right place. A complete guide on how to keep your pout looking fabulous and plump. Trust me, your lips will be thankful you after this video, and also your confidence boost. Especially in winter's lips getting dry and rough, but don't worry, I am here, so let's get started. Hydration is key. First thing first, hydration is the foundation of soft, healthy lips. Lip care involves moisturizing, protecting delicate skin on the lips, exfoliation for smoothness. Just like your skin, your lips can accumulate dead skin cells. If you want soft, smooth lips, exfoliating regularly is essential. You can make your own lip scrub at home by just using only 3 ingredients like sugar, honey, and coconut oil. Or you can find some amazing ones in the market. Remember, gentle exfoliation is the key. The importance of lip balm. After exfoliation, it's important to lock in moisture with a good lip balm. Look for lip balm or oil that contain natural ingredients like beeswax, shea butter, and coconut oil. Protecting your lips from sun. Just like our skin, our lips also need sun protection. Did you know your lips can get sunburned? Sun exposure can cause dry, cracked, and discolored. To protect your lips, choose a lip balm with SPF 15 or higher. Avoid lip licking and biting. It's a bad habit to lick your lips or bite them when they feel dry. Healthy diet for pink lips. What you eat also affects the health of your lips. A balanced diet filled with antioxidants, vitamins, and essential fatty acids that make your lips plumper. Hydration. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day. I recommend aiming for at least 8 glasses of water daily. And that's it, guys. These tips should help you achieve soft, smooth, and pink lips. Remember, consistency is key. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know your favorite lip care tip in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.